dog. We a bag and play ball at the man to the dog. It's about what my boy him dog and the man him come a bag and dog and shoot up him man dog. Give man about 7 and 8 shot dog and man find young dog and 8 shot the man get dog.
Correctional officer and teenager gunned down in St. Mary attack. 53-year-old taxi operator shot during argument with off-duty cop. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A correctional officer and a teenager were reportedly shot and killed at a football field in Highgate, St. Mary on Sunday evening. The deceased are 16-year-old Nathan Sigri alias Pazzi, a student of Guys Hill High School, and 22-year-old Giovanni Higgins alias Marcus, a correctional officer, both of Capture Land, Highgate, St. Mary. Preliminary reports are that about 6:30 p.m., Sigri and Higgins were among persons at a football field in the area when a motor car was driven to the location. Further reports are that our men alighted from the vehicle and opened gunfire, hitting both persons before fleeing the scene. Sigri and Higgins were assisted to the hospital where they were both pronounced dead. A 53-year-old taxi operator was shot and injured during an argument with an off-duty policeman in East Kingston on Sunday. Reports are that at about 12:20 p.m., the transport operator and the policeman were at a betting shop when an argument developed between the two. Reports are that the taxi operator pulled a knife and was shot in the leg. The injured man was assisted by residents to the hospital where he received treatment. The matter has since been reported to the Independent Commission of Investigations in the in the organization that was established to undertake investigations concerning actions by members of the security forces and other agents of the state that results in the death or injury to persons or the abuse of the rights of persons.